Owen ar tafiad hir. Cael ei ffennu'r ôl allan, ail gyfle. Rythyn ni nôl i Blackwell Jones. Y golwr yn galw! A'r cyffyrddiad lleia dros y trawst. Ond Crichton y golwr i weld yn poeni am eiliad. Sirel. Pas fler, pas ddiog. Y Blackwell Jones di hennill i. Blackwell Jones. Ffas dda i Williams. A'r croesiad yn cael ei wiro i gefn y rhwyd. Wel, mae Williams yn dathlu, ond nid i gol fydd honna. Gol i'w rwyd i hun gan Creamer, ac am gol wael i'w rwyd i hun hefyd. Downs yn colli allan. Brookwell. Brookwell! Yr hidlath na o droed chwith. Bron. A dod â gol i'r ymwelwyr. Dros fil yma yn gwylio o'r ffordd Llanelian yn mwynhau'r gêm ddarbi hon. Hill. I Downs. Y croesiad isel. Cael ei glirio. Ail gyfle i'r tîm cartre. Hill i mewn i'r canol. Yr acrobataidd ac yna'r gol! Creamer oedd yn acrobataidd a Craig Linfield yn rhwydo a Bae Colwyn nôl yn ni tocyn yr egwyl. Owen yn chwipio honna i draed Mark Williams sy'n mor dda i gefn at gol, mae'n ceisio troi. Nôl at Owen eto. Y croesiad at y canol! A Chaplin yr eilydd dros y bar. Oedd y gol yn aros am y bêl, ond Chaplin yn methu arwyddo. Y peniad ymlaen. Y golwr yn dod allan. Y bêl yn cael ei gwiro am Israel. Brookwell! A'r amddiffynwr yn achub i gam. Ond Llandudno'r tîm gorau yn y gêm yma. Dim amheuaeth am hynny. Nhw sydd wedi cael eu cyfleuo'n gorau. Pencampwyr cyngrau'r y gogledd yw Bae Colwyn. Maen nhw'n ôl yn system y Cymru a maen nhw yn uwch gyngrau'r Cymru hefyd. Unwaith maen nhw wedi colli drwy'r tymor. Steve Evans a'i dîm yn yr elite, yn yr uwchadran am y tro cyntaf yn ei hanes. Llongyfarchiadau i Bae Colwyn.
We are going up, we are going up.
Steve, tell me how you're feeling.
It's ecstatic, you know. Look at that behind me, you know, listen to it. You know, one thing I said at the start of the season when I first come in is let's give the fans something to cheer about. And they've been first class all season, you know, and we've given them something to cheer about. You know, I truly believe we've fully deserved champions. You know, to go all season and just lose one game in the league, you know, says huge amounts about this this group of players. You know, I said it last week. They've given me everything, and today was no exception. You know, I thought second half, I thought the game petered out a little bit. They had a couple of chances, but you know, all in all, you know, to lift the trophy in front of all these Seagull fans, you know, I've lifted a lot of trophies in my time, but let's take some beating.
Amazing. It's been a tough season. We've put the work in all year, and we've got our rewards. This is what we set out at the start of the season to do, and yeah, just over the moon to achieve it.
Symud yn tîm like what? Pencampwyr.
O, mae'n special. Fel dwi'n dweud, ar dechrau'r tymor, dyna ddyn ni isio, a da ni wedi llwyddo wneud, so... Nos o dda, nos o'n i fel.
Proud, unbelievable, I mean... It's been... the plan's coming together, you know, we're very proud to... it's unbelievable. And it's these lot, I'm from here, it means the world to me, this, so it's quite an emotional day as well.
Today is about... It's not about me, it's not about the players, it's about everything. You know, it's about this club, you know, where we want to go and where we're going to go, you know, and, you know, yeah, listen to that, you know, I'm happy.
The support that we have here, obviously they turn out week in, week out, and they've been like the 12th man all the season. We've needed them at times, and they've been behind us every step of the way, so they're fantastic, the Seagulls fans.
I put a lot of effort and time into this, but I only put in what they give and more. Their attitude, their application is first class, and I can't speak highly enough of them, all of them. They're superb. They're
Neil, welcome to the Premier League.
Thank you very much.
I've just said to my lads there, they've been absolutely fantastic. They've been a credit to themselves, they've been a credit to the football club, but they've been a credit for me as well. Week in and week out, putting in performances similar to today. We didn't want to get, you know, sucked in, to the celebrations and the party, to be fair, but that's with all due respect to Colwyn Bay. They've been fantastic this year and deserved champions, but they've been fantastic. And do you know what? We'll take third place, a better points return than last year, more goals scored. So if we're looking at progression, we progressed really well. But yeah, end of season now. Maybe not time for me to put my feet up, but yeah, the lads certainly can. They put in a massive shift all year round.